Hello friend, today we learn about the if function. If it's for condition. If I have, like here, table of color, and I have blue, yellow, orange, red, but I want, if it's blue, write to me yes, but if it's not blue, write to me no. So let's start. Equal if, and then open me a box. If bloom, if 6 equal bloom, if it's true, write to me yes, but if it's not blue, write to me no. And then I press on OK button. Now if you see, if it's blue, it's yes, but the green, purple, red, it's write to me no. Let's do one more. Here I have table of number. I want it will be my condition if the number is more 50, write to me good, but if it's not, write to me not good. And then I press on the OK button. Now if you see, the 20 it's not good, but everything it's more from 50 and it's good, like here. So let's do a summary. I have if a function, it's for condition, and I have something is valid and something it's not valid. So it is valid, it is true, but it's not valid. Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.